had any snags. I'm leaving like tower piece. Hold on, let me fix this, man. You see it? You see it? We got the bald buddy by the cut buddy, you know what I'm saying? Dope product, man. Look, this is actually 4-course hair. In fact, let me show you something quick. All right, here's what I've been using it for. This is by Freedom Grooming. Take the, boom, let's take it off. Looks similar, right? Looks similar. Now, I've got to take this one off. I've got to take this off. I'll do it later, but when you take these blades off, they pop all the way out and look at the size of this wheel, this cog. The size of these blades. Look at the surface area. But if you take one from Freedom Grooming, completely different design. So this is not a copycat product. It's a large cog wheel, so it has more force. And you can see the blades in there too. These blades look similar, man, but they don't cut the same. The smaller diameter, the spring loaded right here, does not cut the same. So this is for us, man. Shout out to that brother for designing something for us and our hair type. Haven't had any snags. Like I said, it's super dope. A lock feature so your kids can't just come through and press it, run out your battery. Also, when you're charging it up, the USB Type-C cable is provided. Plug it in. Your battery level indicator. And that's dope. It's well integrated. You really can't tell it's there. Just looks like a normal piece of plastic right here. Super dope. It is what it is. Now, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, share it with your people, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a like. For everyone else that want to see this in action, stick around. We're going to put it to work again.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can